Now, Bharat Biotech has said today that it had followed a step-by-step approach towards contracts and regulatory approvals with Brazil in the specific case of procurement of Covaxin by the Ministry of Health. Brazil, since the first meeting during November of 2020 until the 29th of June this year, step-by-step approach has been followed towards contracts and regulatory approvals during this 8-month-long period. The Bharat Biotech said in a statement, amid investigations in the country to the deal for 20 million Covaxin doses, Brazil has decided to suspend that $324 million contract, which has engulfed the President Bolsonaro in accusations of irregularities on the advice of the federal controller. We have with us Uma, who's joining us for more on this. Uma, Bharat Biotech saying that there have been no irregularities as far as the deal is concerned.
Yes, indeed, Divya. Bharat Biotech has in fact put out a very detailed statement in which they are saying, one, upfront that any notion of any kind of a wrongdoing on their part, they want to dispel, and that's the reason why they are putting out the statement. And two, they have put out the entire kind of a procedure that's followed when any kind of such orders are placed. One, they are pointing out that the procedure that is followed and the step-by-step procedure that you're talking about is something that is well established, widely accepted, and something that they have been doing in their exports to about 123 countries that has been happening. And they point out that the process has in fact been misrepresented in some media, and that's the reason why they are having to put out this clarification. What they say is that this deal that is of course struck in February, $324 million deal for 20 million doses of supply of Covaxin. This is something that starts with first a letter of intent that the country gives to the company, and after the company receives it, an emergency use authorization is applied for in that particular company, and they say that that procedure was followed, and in fact certain cases the emergency use authorization, even before that the contract is given out. But in this particular case, after the EUA had given that, Brazil had given the emergency use authorization, after which the contract had been signed with the company as well. And post that, they say there was no money that was received by Bharat Biotech as of now till the 29th of till the dates at which the statement has been put out. And they are also pointing out that no supply of vaccine has been done. Two other clarifications that they are giving is that the established price for the Covaxin dose outside India to governments outside India is $15 to $20 per dose. And in the case of Brazil, they had indicated that this is going to be about $15. They are also saying that in every country, they in fact have a partner. And in this case, Precisa is the company that they have mentioned there in their Medicamentos. Precisa Medicamentos is the company that they are saying, which is the local partner through which they were dealing with all the kind of regulatory framework, applications, licensure, etc. in Brazil. And that's what they have done in this particular case as well. That's the format that they follow in several other countries as well. And it is in partnership with them that they had conducted trials as well in the country, in Brazil, and had got approvals for that as well. Back to you.
Right. Thank you so much, Uma, for joining us with all those details there.